Hello everyone, welcome to my, what should have been my third unboxing, but it's actually the second unboxing. The other second package I got was, of course, the Dokuman cards right here. But this is actually containing my ISO #1 cover C and my hat pack. Well, my hat pack comes with the hat, RippaVerse hat, and ISO #1 cover C, as well as my black Irish shirt. So we're gonna get right into this. Beautiful packaging as always. Right on top, you can see the RippaVerse hat. Very nice material. Feels like the front here was stitched on. Saddle, like this back netting here. Very nice, high quality here. Got, of course, our black Irish shirt. Just gonna take that out real quick so that y'all can get a better look at it. Very nice. How much? Very nice, very nice, very nice. Same quality as the last shirt, which is the RippaVerse comic shirt, which is what I'm wearing right now. And last but not least, in the Gemini mailer, we got the comic itself. Just go ahead and rip that, cut that middle. And there we have it. ISO issue #1, cover C. Very nice cover, very nice artwork and colors. Came in great. Thank you, sir. Thank you, Mr. Eric July and RippaVerse and everyone who works at the warehouse for this awesome packaging and beautiful artwork and coloring from Cliff Richards and Gabe Al-Taib. Can't wait to dive in and actually read and do a review on the book. I'll see you guys on the next one when I do a review of the book. Peace out.